Alright guys, this is Danny with ParTay again. So I'm using this, this is 1300 lumens. It's a CFL light. 1300 could be up to 1400, but let's go with 1300. You can see the amount of light that puts out, and I'm hitting the screen here with that. Now this is almost a white. It's not quite a white. It's sort of a eggshell, somewhere between an eggshell and a very light gray. I'm pushing it to be as light as it can, but you can see even with that kind of light going on, plus we got daylight behind us, that it's holding up pretty well. It's still in prototype, probably be in prototype for the next month and a half if it ever gets to the point of release. But I'm really looking to focus my attention on coming up with an almost white screen that will give you close to the same contrast as a medium gray, but at the same time be very diffusive in a living room environment. That way you can get more vibrancy out of your screens without having to go black. Let's go the other direction and see what we get there. So thank you for your time, and God bless.